A high-leg panel is a type of electrical distribution panel that provides both three-phase power, typically used for heavy equipment, and 120 volts power for lighting, receptacles, and other low-power devices. While combining power sources might seem convenient, there are several drawbacks to this approach. Firstly, you have reduced usable panel space for 120-volt circuits. High-leg panels usually have a 120/240-volt split-phase configuration. In this setup, 120-volt circuits are connected between one phase and neutral. When the high leg is used for three-phase power, it effectively eliminates one of the 120 volts legs. This results in a 50% reduction in the available panel space for 120 volt circuits, which can lead to overcrowding and potential circuit overloading. Secondly, it can cause potential voltage imbalance. When three-phase loads are connected to a high-leg panel, the voltage distribution across the 120-volt circuits can become unbalanced. The high leg isn't used for any 120 volts loads, resulting in a higher voltage on the other two legs. Voltage imbalance can cause problems for sensitive electronic equipment and can lead to premature failure. Thirdly, there are safety concerns. The high leg in a high leg panel carries 240 volts, which poses a significant electrical hazard. If a fault occurs in the three-phase system, this high voltage could backfeed into the 120-volt circuits, creating a dangerous situation for workers and equipment. To address these concerns, it is best practice to separate three-phase and 120-volt circuits into distinct panels. Single-phase panels provide a dedicated space for 120 volts loads, maximizing panel capacity and ensuring voltage balance. For the three-phase equipment, a separate panel can be used to provide isolation and safety. This separation minimizes the risks associated with high-leg panels and ensures a safer and more reliable electrical system. When dealing with electrical systems, always prioritize safety and adherence to electrical codes. A qualified electrician should perform any electrical work to ensure compliance with local regulations and to mitigate potential hazards.